Hi everyone, my today's case is a gallbladder. I will try to discuss more about this case on a separate video. Patient had gallbladder slas, dilated biliary tree due to an ill-defined mass causing distal common bile duct obstruction. But today, my focus is on the 3D view of the gallbladder. This is a 3D view of the gallbladder. Now, a short tutorial about this 3D image processing. The volume acquisition done by pressing the 3D button over the gallbladder. I am targeting the upper and left picture. I am taking the plus point to the gallbladder lumen by the cursor. You can see that other axes are getting changed. Now I am selecting the second image. As the dot line is already over the gallbladder, I don't need to change that. If I change the lateral lines, part of the 3D image will be cut. I'm choosing the fourth image, that is the 3D image, and opening it on a single screen from the touch panel. I need some editing on this image. I will use smoothing, transparency, threshold, and slice options to make the image beautiful. Now I'm changing the slice to find the proper section. I'm rotating and trying to adjust a better slice. Now I'm zooming the image to fit the screen. Now I am changing smoothing to change the image from smooth to a detailed one. I am changing the threshold, changing transparency, checking few slice and threshold adjustments. Luminal slices are little visualized. Always rotate freely in different axes. You may get a better view and will be helpful to evaluate the anatomy as well as the pathology. Now I will change the light source. Take the torch everywhere. You can change the light depth to have a better lighting condition. Now I will change the view pattern. This is surface 1. It looks good. Stones can easily be visualized here. Now surface 2. Luminal slashes can be seen here. Dye color. It adds some colors over the surface image. Skeletal, not good for this case. Invert. Just inversed everything. TrueView, that's the realistic one. Lastly, the glass view. Isn't it look great? I think I should rotate the gallbladder to see more of this view. Changing slice and threshold a little. Now you can easily see the luminal slashes which were difficult for you earlier. Checking it on TrueView again. Now I will cut the borders by sculpt option. I'll just keep the structure I want to see on the display. We'll remove rests. Now I'm zooming the image to fit the screen and moving the image through pan option. Now a slight rotation. TrueView again. And changing the light source for a better view. Let's see in short how it looks now in different view. Surface 1, Surface 2, dye color, skeletal, invert, TrueView, glass view and looks beautiful. That's all for today. I'm showing this tutorial on Philips Affinity 50. Try to do it on your machine. The main technique is quite same in every machine with HD 3D. I hope this basic will help you there. I have already recorded some more videos of this case in other planes. We'll try to post them later. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Don't forget to give your valuable opinions. Have a nice day.